Hello, my name is Matthew Bauman, and today I'm going to talk about the infographic that I created and explain how it demonstrates principles of effective visual design to the viewer. The particular infographic that I used is called a data infographic. By using a neutral viewpoint, I used particular statistical information to explain a data story to the viewer. The neutral standpoint lets the viewer draw their own conclusion with the significance of the information given. To start out the design, I used grid lines to lay out focal points and visual hierarchy. The focal points can be seen with the vehicles, as shown here, to elaborate what the data is representing. A couple other focal points are the skull, shown in the middle, and the human head count, shown at the bottom of the data infographic. These focal points are prominently used as a visual weight to draw the eyes. The visual hierarchy within this infographic is to emphasize certain elements over another. I was able to create a visual hierarchy by using the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds controls how and where a person will look at an image. You can see the lines I put in the infographic to separate and control the flow of the viewer's understanding of the presented data. The Gestalt design was used to organize what we see into a familiar image. I used the figure and ground method to differentiate the group of people on the bottom that represent the given data from the whole population. This requires the viewers to have an active perception on what is going on. I also used the basic color theory principles to make the infographic more pleasing to the eye. By doing so, I used color harmony to create a sense of order. By only using shades of white and black with a red emphasis, the three colors in use creates an analogous color to help the set of color harmony. I use the complementary colors of black and white. This use of opposite colors creates a vibrant visual experience. Lastly, I used color meaning with red to set a tone of caution and warning. These methods are combined with color contrast to set a level of saturation to the viewing experience. Hopefully this explanation has clearly connected my data infographic design choices to elaborate the core principles of graphic design. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.